Well, let's start it. Diving into decentralized exchanges. Uniswap V1. Okay. Most of us are used to buying crypto through centralized exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, etc. Oftentimes, we resort to the same platforms when trading between different cryptocurrencies. However, centralized exchanges are rife with problems. They can get hacked and loss of all their users' money, or worse yet, the company behind the exchange can close up shop and run away with all the money. This may seem extreme, but this is not fiction. Mt.Gox was the leading Bitcoin exchange from 2010 to 2014. At its peak, it was responsible for 70% of all Bitcoin transactions. In early 2014, the company reported they were missing hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin and declared bankruptcy. Today, those lost Bitcoin are worth billions of dollars. Okay. In the following years, Mt.Cox faced several lawsuits, some of which are still going on 8 years later. Okay. Then Quadriga CX. Quadriga CX, a centralized exchange based in Canada, went under in 2018. The founder mysteriously died, and all the crypto on the platform disappeared with him. Users reported almost 200 million lost in lost fund. Okay. So there is some, I think this section have only uh, theory, so you can go through it. I will also go through it. Then we will move to the last section, which is build your own decentralized exchange like Uniswap. uh, let's see what it offers. Yes, so that will be the practical section. So we will going to uh, do this section, but please complete this section number 12, intro and deep dive into the section. Then we will start this last section.